In this lesson, I'd like to give you some extra little words that will help you to glue sentences together. We already have a handful of them. For example, he is, she is, it is S, and then he, she, or it isn't, not S. We have así for like this, like that. Para mí is for me. Tan means so, and muy is very. Next up, we have the word for and, which is spelt as a Y in Spanish, and the pronunciation is E. For example, to say Pablo and Elena would be Pablo y Elena. Let's try this one. It's horrible and detestable. Here we have two categories of words. We have IBLE and one from ABLE. So be careful with your pronunciation here. Try to say this in Spanish. Es horrible y detestable. The word for but in Spanish is pero. How would you say, but it's not possible? Pero no es posible. The word for now is ahora. Notice that we skipped over the H in our pronunciation, going from a to hora. Ahora. It literally means at the hour. How would you say, but now it's not possible? Pero ahora no es posible. How would you say, but now it's impossible for me? Pero ahora es imposible para mí. What about, but now it's not like that? Pero ahora no es así. It was, in Spanish, is fue. Fue. Now, just like we have he, she, or it is with S, so all three angles packed into S, the same thing happens with fue. It means it was, but also she was, he was. So again, all three angles, he, she, and it, packed into fue. How would you say he, she, or it wasn't? No fue. This gives us a nice little group. We have es and no es. Now we have fue and no fue. How would you say it was acceptable? Fue aceptable. It wasn't acceptable. No fue aceptable. It wasn't possible for me. No fue posible para mí. It wasn't like that. No fue así. How would you say, but it wasn't like that? Pero no fue así. Let's review them now. How do you say he, she, or it is? Es. He, she, or it isn't. No es. He, she, or it was. Fue. He, she, or it wasn't. No fue. Like this, like that, this way, that way. Así. So. Tan. For me. Para mí. And. Y. But. Pero. Now. ahora. Very. Muy.